Namaskar, welcome to the Common Times news updates. Recently, some migrant workers created violation in quarantine home. These videos goes viral in social network. After this, Odisha Chief Secretary Asit Tripathi expressed serious concern over quarantine violation by these migrant workers who have recently arrived in the state. The Chief Secretary warned the violators that stringent action would be taken against the violators. He said that if required, they would be arrested and sent to quarantine center located in a faraway
We have
village.
also found some instances of minority of people who are in quarantine, who are jumping quarantine or creating a lot of indiscipline act in the quarantine center. Only for a small people will not let the public health of the large number of people be periled. We are issuing instructions to all concerned, and the primary functionary is Panchayat, the Sarpanch, who has been already empowered to act against these people to take strict legal action. In some cases, we will shift them from their home panchayat to distant panchayats in the other districts and increase their quarantine period, not give them the incentive money promised because they have violated the quarantine condition. We'll also arrest them and put them in jail if it's a serious infraction. Then the Sarpanches have done extremely well till now. They have made very good arrangements. I will only make 2-3 requests to them. Sarpanches should be very, very vigilant about quarantine conditions. It's a legal condition. So it's not a voluntary quarantine. It is a legal quarantine. They have to undergo quarantine. The moment they violate quarantine, strict legal action be taken. Second, the health protocol issued for the quarantine center should be completely administered. So the Sarpanches will have to look into that. Third thing, I want the community support to these instructions so that not only legal action would be taken, the community also should oversee the quarantine center. Thank you.
Tripathi also expressed his concern that buses and vehicles carrying migrants are not obeying the route specifications. He said in such cases the buses and vehicles would be seized, stating that buses overloaded with passengers and buses without registration with the Odisha COVID-19 portal have reported at interstate border checkpoints. He said such buses would not be allowed to
We are
enter
now
the
receiving
state.
a lot of people by road, and even though we have mandated that the persons who come from outside will have to come with valid passes issued by competent authorities from those states, we find there are some infractions. Some people are appearing without passes, or they are coming with overcrowded buses, or when they are being sent through a route chart, which is an approved sticker pasted on their windscreen, they are sometimes we find they are violating the route. So we have now told all concerned at the border checkpoint, en route and in the district, very strict action would be taken against these violations. Overcrowding, not going in the approved route.
Bureau Report, The Common Times.